Today I will show you the magic of the eraser. First, I will use a piece of soft paper. Wipe the lid to create a gray background. Use the eraser to create white clouds. Draw a high mountain peak on a white paper. Then do as in the clip I did. Apply pencil powder with soft paper to color the mountain. Next, draw a long mountain range below. In this part, you create the reflection of the mountain range in the water. Feel free to create your own picture the way you want. I draw a coniferous forest. Remember to draw their shadows down into the lake. I finished drawing the picture. If you like what I draw, please comment and let me know.